Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today we will discuss important January current affairs. This is part 3. We already uploaded part 1 and part 2. So please watch that videos. So let's start the session. First question. Census of which animal is set to be conducted in May 2020 by Wildlife Institute of India in Gujarat using 8,000 to 10,000 cameras? So the answer is Asiatic lion. So Gujarat has conducted animal census by Asiatic lion animals in May 2020. It is conducted by Wildlife Institute of India. The present CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani and the governor is Acharya Devavrat. Next, name the first North Indian and fifth Indian railway station that inaugurated navigation facilities for visually impaired recently. So the answer is Chandigarh railway station. So Chandigarh railway station is the first North Indian railway station and fifth Indian railway station which is inaugurated navigation facilities for visually impaired people. Next, which state has celebrated 4th edition of Buksa Bird Festival 2020? And the answer is West Bengal. So West Bengal has celebrated Buksa Bird Festival. It is the 4th edition. The CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. And the CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. And the CM of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next, by which year the target of producing coal set to 1 billion tons by Government of India? So recently Government of India has set 1 billion tons target for 2023 to 24 the financial year. So the present coal minister is Prahlad Joshi. Present coal minister Prahlad Joshi. Next, Vikram Sarabhai Children Innovation Center is set up in which Indian state? And the answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat has set up Vikram Sarabhai Children Innovation Center, and recently Khadi Village Industries Commission has set up silk processing plant for Patola sarees in Gujarat. Vikram Sarabhai Children Innovation Center is also set up in Gujarat, and Patola sarees silk plant which is set up by Khadi Village Industries Commission in Gujarat. The CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Next, how many persons has awarded with the Padma Vibhushan awards for the year 2020? And the answer is 7. Guys, this year total Padma awards is given in 141. In this 141, Padma Vibhushan has given 7, Padma Bhushan 16 awards given, remaining Padma Shri has given 118. Already we uploaded awards video. Please watch that video to get full details. Next, who won the Women's National 10-meter air rifle in 63rd National Shooting Champion competitions in 2019? So 63rd National Shooting Championship competitions, 10-meter air rifle women's win by Gina Kita. Gina Kita has won the Women's National 10-meter air rifle in 63rd National Championship competitions. Next, name the mascot of the first edition of the Khelo India University Games. This year, Khelo India University Games held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and Khelo India Games held in Guwahati, Assam. Remember, don't confuse University Games held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Khelo India Games held in Guwahati, Assam. So this year the mascot of Khelo India University Games is Jai and Bijay. Jai and Bijay are the mascots of Khelo India University Games. Next, Amit Shah, he is our Home Minister, is released one book, Karma Yodha Granth. It describes the life history of which political leader? It describes the history of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So Amit Shah released the history of Narendra Modi book, Karma Yodha Granth. Next, name the deceased Kerala cartoonist and secretary of Kerala Cartoon Academy who won United Nations Political Cartoon Award. And the answer is Thomas Anthony. So recently Kerala cartoonist Thomas Anthony has passed away. Next, what is the theme of the National Youth Day 2020 which is observed on January 12? And the answer is channelizing youth power for nation building. And every day we celebrate this day as the commemoration of birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. And every year we celebrate International Youth Day on August 12. National Youth Day January 12. International Youth Day August 12. Next. What is the strike range of the submarine launched ballistic missile K4? And the answer is 3500 kilometers, and it is launched in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. In Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Tiger Trump military exercise is also held, which is the exercise of India and US countries. Next. Name the state that topped in Transparency International India's Transparency in Budgetary Process Report 2.0. So in this report, the top state is Assam. So Transparency in Budgetary Process Report 2.0 is topped by Assam. The CM of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal, and the CM of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and the CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Next. Name the state or union territory which has topped in central and state governmental water departments based on their efficiency targets for 2019, which is released by Ministry of Jal Shakti. And the answer is Gujarat. So recently Ministry of Jal Shakti has released central and state governmental water departments based on their efficiency targets. In these targets it is topped by Gujarat, and the worst state is Delhi. The present Union Ministry of Jal Shakti is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Next. Where was the 10th annual meeting of the Forum of Election Management Bodies of South Asia held? And the answer is New Delhi, India. So Forum of the Election Management Bodies of South Asia 10th annual meeting, it is held in New Delhi, India. Next. Annual festival of Madhavpura Mela, which will be held in which city? Answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat Madhavpura Mela annual festival held in April 2020. In West Bengal, Buksa Board festival held. And Tripura Lai Haroba festival, it is held in Tripura. And Nagoba Jatra festival, it is held in Telangana. These are some important festivals. Next. How many countries have signed mutual legal assistance treaty with India for cooperation in criminal matters in November 2019? And the answer is 42 countries. So recently mutual legal assistance treaty, it is signed 42 countries with India. This treaty is for cooperation in criminal matters. Full form is important. Mutual legal assistance treaty. Total countries have signed 42. Next. Name the scheme under which 24 states and union territories will set up total 1023 fast track special courts. Answer is National Mission for Safety of Women. Under this scheme, National Mission for Safety of Women, total 24 states and union territories will set up 1023 fast track special courts. Next. Which state will set up 121 acres zoological garden named after the freedom fighter and revolutionary Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan? And the answer is Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh government will set up 121 acres zoological garden, and it is named after the freedom fighter Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan. The CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the governor is Anandibin Patel. Next. Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly adopted a new logo. In this logo, which following flower is seen? And the answer is Rhynchostylis retusa. So this flower has seen in this logo, which is adapted by the Arunachal Pradesh. Next. Tamil Nadu Fishery and Music Universities were named after which of the politician recently? Answer is J. Jayalalitha. So Tamil Nadu has renamed Tamil Nadu Fishery and Music Universities as Jayalalitha Fishery and Music Universities. Next. Where is the state of the I4C located? I4C full form important. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. So it is located in New Delhi. The CM of New Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal, and the governor is Anil Baijal. Next. Name the mission which is launched by Dharmendra Pradhan. He is our Union Ministry of Steel. in Kolkata, West Bengal, for accelerating the development of Eastern India through integrated steel hub. So recently Dharmendra Pradhan has launched Purvodaya mission for developing Eastern India through integrated steel hub. So Purvodaya, it is launched by Dharmendra Pradhan for steel hub in Kolkata, West Bengal. Next, name the institute which has developed IRAD tool. IRAD full form is important. Integrated Road Accident Database. It is for help proper monitoring and accurate analysis of road accidents. And the answer is IIT Madras. For this IT tool, World Bank has provided 258 crore financial assistance. So it is developed by IIT Madras and the full form is Integrated Road Accident Database. For this tool, World Bank has given 258 crore financial assistance. The headquarters of World Bank is in Washington DC, US, and the present president is David Malpass. Next, dash edition of the National Youth Festival 2020 held in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So recently 23rd edition of the National Youth Festival, it is held in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and the theme is Fit Youth, Fit India. Theme is important. Fit Youth, Fit India is the theme of National Youth Festival, which is celebrated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. National Youth Day is celebrated on January 12. Next, Indian Postal Department has released the commemorative stamp of Chunni Goswami. He is associated with which sport? And recently he passed away. So Chunni Goswami is a footballer. So Indian Postal Department has released the commemorative stamp of Chunni Goswami. He belongs to football. Next, where is the 5th edition of Science Film Festival of India celebrated? And the answer is Panaji, Goa. So this year 5th edition of Science Film Festival of India is celebrated in Panaji, Goa. The present CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant. Next, which bank has signed MOU with WEWA, Women Entrepreneurs Welfare Association? It is the Association of Tamil Nadu, to provide training and credit linkage to women entrepreneurs to establish business. So recently Indian Bank has signed MOU with Women Entrepreneurs Welfare Association of Tamil Nadu to provide training and credit linkage to the women entrepreneurs. The headquarters of Indian Bank is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and the CEO is Padmaja Chundru, and the establishment of year of Indian Bank is 1907. Next, name the state that has signed a loan agreement worth of 711 crores with KfW German Development Bank for expanding the climate resilient zero budget natural farming for the next 5 years. So recently Andhra Pradesh government has signed MOU with KfW, it is German Development Bank, with the worth of 711 crores for zero budget natural farming for the next 5 years. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next, name the app which is launched by HDFC Bank recently to boost digital payments in India. And the answer is My Apps. So My Apps, it is launched by HDFC Bank to boost digital payments in India. The headquarters of HDFC Bank is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, name the bank that received authorized capital of 25,000 crores from the central government of India recently. So recently Indian Overseas Bank has increased its authorized capital from 15,000 crores to 25,000 crores. So now the authorized capital of Indian Overseas Bank is 25,000 crores and the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next, which company has signed MOU with Hindustan Aeronautical Limited to make aerospace components? And the answer is Wipro 3D. So Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has signed MOU with Wipro 3D to make aerospace components. Next, which country has launched the nuclear surface-to-surface ballistic missile Ghaznavi with the strike range of 290 kilometers recently? So this missile is launched by Pakistan country and the strike range is 290 kilometers. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and the PM is Imran Khan. Next, Which state government has launched India's first online platform called e-Gadget Portal? It is developed by NIC. NIC stands for National Informatics Center. So Odisha government recently launched e-Gadget Portal and it is developed by National Informatics Center. The CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Next. In which of the following Indian city ISRO has launched the second launch port to launch small satellite vehicles? And the answer is Thuthukudi, Tamil Nadu. So ISRO launched its second launch port. It is specially for launch small satellite vehicles. It is launched in Thuthukudi, Tamil Nadu. The first launch port of ISRO is in Sriharikota. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Next. Where did India has set up the new world-class facility center for training astronauts? Answer is Chellakeರೆ, Karnataka. So India has set up the world-class facility center. This center is for training astronauts. It is set up in Chellakeರೆ, Karnataka. Next. Name the malware application that affects 14.23 Indian users as per the research from cybersecurity and antivirus solutions provider Kaspersky. So according to this, Shopper malware, it is affects 14.23 Indian users. Remember, the name is Shopper malware. Next. Name the women security app which is developed by Mrityunjay Singh and Priya Rai. These students are from IIT Banaras Hindu University. This university is in UP, Uttar Pradesh, to reduce the crimes against women. So the app name is Very Good Morning. So this app is developed by IIT Banaras Hindu University students. Next. Rohit Sharma Cricket Stadium foundation stone was laid in which of the following city recently? So Hyderabad, Telangana. So recently Rohit Sharma has laid foundation stone of Rohit Sharma Cricket Stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana. So the CM of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and the governor is Tamilisai Sundar Rajan. Next. Sarabjit Kaur has banned for 4 years. He associated with which sports? And the answer is weightlifting. So Sarabjit Kaur is associated with weightlifting. She banned for 4 years. Next. Who is the author of the book titled Balwa that described the happenings in India in 1990s? And the answer is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. So Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi is author of the book Balwa. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, he is the Minority Affairs Minister. Next. Bhim Chandra Jana passed away. Recently he was a freedom fighter. So recently freedom fighter Bhim Chandra Jana has passed away. Next. What is the theme of the second edition of International Day of Education which is celebrated on 24th January 2020? So the answer is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. So the theme of International Day of Education is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. It is observed on 24th January. Next. Nitin Gadkari launched the special edition of Khadi wrist watches. Which entity has designed with the watch in collaboration with KVIC? So the answer is Titan. So Titan has collaborated with Khadi Village Industries Commission and developed the Khadi wrist watches. It is launched by the Nitin Gadkari. Next. Who has honored with the Harit Ratna Award 2019 at the 5th National Youth Convention which is held in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. So National Youth Convention, it is held in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. In this event, Harit Ratna Award 2019 has won by N. Kumar. Next. Who was appointed as the AEPC chairman? AEPC stands for Apparel Export Promotion Council of India and the answer is A. Shaktivel. So A. Shaktivel is appointed as the chairman of Apparel Export Promotion Council of India. Next. Which technology giant company has commits $1 million for Internews to promote news literacy among Indian public? The answer is Google. So Google has committed to invest $1 million in Internews to promote news literacy. The headquarters of Facebook is in California, US and the CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. and the headquarters of Apple is in California, US, and the CEO is Tim Cook. The headquarters of Microsoft is in Washington DC, US, and the CEO is Satya Nadella. The headquarters of Google is in California, US, and the CEO is Sundar Pichai. Remember. Next, which bank operating India launched the tool iBox for of its kind 24 into self-service delivery with on its branch Mumbai? Answer is ICICI. ICICI full form is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. So ICICI Bank has launched the iBox tool. It is 24 into 7 service. It is launched in its headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, which year is the deadline by SEBI? SEBI full form is Security Exchange Board of India, and the headquarters of SEBI is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the chairman is Ajay Tyagi. So SEBI has set the deadline for the separation of chairman and MD for 500 listed companies. So SEBI has set a deadline for April 2022. So after April 2022, every bank has separate MD and CEO and separate chairman for 500 listed companies. Next question. PM Narendra Modi unveils a statue of Old Currency Building. So Old Currency Building is located in which state? And the answer is Kolkata, West Bengal. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled a statue of Old Currency Building which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. The present CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. So guys, these are the 50 important questions of the January month. Now we will cover total 150 questions of the January month. Previously we uploaded 2 videos which are 100 questions. So next 50 questions we discuss in next session. So guys, if you want PDF or quiz based on this video, please join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the all notifications of our channel. Thank you for watching the video.